Thanks for stopping by. Let's get started. Go to your website's WordPress dashboard, hover over the plugins, selecting Add New. In the search bar, we're looking for the entirely free plugin, pTypeConverter. All one word, by Brian D. Goad. Install and activate pTypeConverter. You'll find pTypeConverter on your WordPress dashboard hovering over Tools and selecting pTypeConverter. This brings us to the instruction page. Click the upper middle Convert tab. We are looking at the Filter By and choosing Pages in the drop-down menu. Over in the Convert to, select the drop-down option Posts. Now I'm selecting the pages I want to convert to posts. Head back up the page, tap Convert, followed by OK when the dialog pop-up appears after checking for accuracy in that dialog pop-up box. Return to your dashboard, tap Posts, and all of the pages have converted to posts. Do check your posts. A few settings may not come through. So for example, this post I'm checking now has a right-hand column. It had been full width. Quick change to full width, update, and it's done. Thanks for stopping by. If you like these videos, give them a thumbs up and subscribe.